Hey, welcome back to the Gargoyles Den. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we got a little bit of a hodgepodge video. I have a gentleman by the name of Steve that wanted me to do a Mustang stalker for him. He wants it in Spectre Flame Orange, so we're going to do that. And then I came across this old mailbox casting, what was it called, special delivery? Yeah, special delivery. And I ordered the decals for it, so we're going to go ahead and get that shinied up and cleaned up and get the decals on it. See how that looks. So it should be quick and easy. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back. Let's go ahead and get the Mustang busted apart first, make sure everything's good to go with it. And it's looking a little dry. Let's some more oil on it. Interior glass look good. We'll go ahead and toss it in and zip the greaser up here. Keeping the wheels, because they're not in bad shape at all. We'll gauzy those up and shiny the base up a little. And obviously we're going to get the tampos and stuff off here and polish this before we put the new Spectre Flame Orange on it. And we'll have to drill the posts out. Let's not forget that. Now, as for this one, I started thinking about it, and I don't have to take this one apart actually. Basically all I'm doing is polishing it up and putting the decals back on it. So there's no reason to take it apart. So yeah, we're just going to use the Dremel and wire brushes to shiny it up. Or something like that. and take it to dip in the septic here as well. I'm not going to leave it in there very long because obviously the wheels that take the lines off, but it doesn't matter, I got to replace these anyway, so it needs to do a good dip and get it all washed off. And you can see it starts to bring out the shine. I think that looks about 100% better than it did. Set this one aside and it's ready for some decals. Alright, so we got this one to do. Yeah, I'm not going to wire brush this one because it's not that bad. I think the flits took care of all of it. We're about to find out. Alright. Gauzy stuff, get it done. There's the interior. And the glass. Alright, I'm going to do the drill press and regurgitation juice to get the decals off, and then we'll be back here to polish up the body. Back in a few. It's got the blue on it, so don't try to take this apart, Steve. Some more of those regular short screws. All I got left is these long ones, so I'm going to cut them every time. Which isn't that big a deal, but sometimes it can be. Alright, back for a reveal. And here we have them. This is what I came up with. The Mustang came out okay, but the mill box, the special delivery or whatever it's called, was a little different story. I went on Wikipedia, and according to Wiki, the only color it came in was blue. Well, the one that I had was chrome. When I looked online, I found a bunch of other chrome ones also. So I don't know if it came out and nobody just ever updated the wiki with that color or what. So I left it the chrome the way it was, you know. I didn't see any reason to take it apart and paint it blue, just to match wiki. Obviously, there's other chrome ones, so it came out in chrome one time. We'll leave it the way it is. I like the way it came out, though. It's nice and bright and shiny now. And it's probably the fastest the mail will ever get there, because you guys know how the mail is. So, there's that. Hope Steve likes the Mustang, and if you guys like him, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.